this side. So one more thing to remove. Okay, remove this one. Yeah. Okay, so this is the back side. Maybe tomorrow they're gonna start cutting grasses here, because it's so much grasses here. I want to remove this one. All right, here. My wife is. Assalamualaikum. What are you doing? Our garden, vegetable garden. Yeah. Ginger.